Ditch those boring contact forms. Let's supercharge your WordPress website with a free AI chatbot in under 90 seconds. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins section. Then click on Add New. Now, in the search bar, type Chatbot. Look for a plugin that offers free AI chatbot integration and is well rated, ideally over 4 stars. We're using one, but feel free to explore and find the best fit for your needs. Click Install now, and once it's done installing, click Activate. You'll now find the Chatbot settings in your WordPress menu. Click on it to access the configuration page. Most chatbots require an API key from the service they use to power the AI. This usually involves creating a free account on the chatbot provider's website like Dialoglo or similar. Get that API key from their website to continue. Paste the API key in the designated field, customize the chatbot appearance or behavior to match your brand, and then click Save Settings. Refresh your website. You should now see the chatbot icon appear. Click the icon to open the chat window. You can now test your AI chatbot with a question. And that's it. You've successfully added a free AI chatbot to your WordPress website. Subscribe for more quick and helpful WordPress tutorials.